Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be working on the Zero Turn. It's another project that I acquired. Like I don't have enough of them, right? But this Zero Turn here, as you saw in my last video, I adjusted the deck, got that all squared away. And then I was going through the machine itself, and I noticed, oh, that's one heavy seat. This rubber flap, well, that fan there I had to replace too. That was, let's say, bladeless. It didn't have any blades, so I had to take that shaft off. I didn't film any of it because it was raining, and you know, sometimes you just don't feel like filming things. That was an easy fix. But this rubber flap, as you can see, is pretty well chewed up and ripping. So I went online to see how much one of these rubber flaps would be. You wouldn't believe it. Well, $86 for this rubber flap without this metal thing on there. $86. I don't know, some of these companies, but the prices that they want of things is just obscene. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take this piece of rubber here that I found in my toolbox, which is almost exactly the right width, definitely long enough. We're going to cut it and make a new one. So stay tuned. Alright, we went and got some tools to do this job. I just wanted to show you, this is the original fan that was in there. You can see how that went. And not a blade on there. I did find a blade. I don't know what I did. I probably threw it away. But I did find a blade down in there. Yeah. $30 for this piece of plastic. Let's get this thing off, and then we'll make a new one. Yeah, this thing is pretty ragged out. Not the machine, this rubber flappy thing. And what's the sense of putting a new fan on there if the seal that's supposed to cover it and actually make it effective is all torn up, right? Alright, now that we got this off, we're going to go take it out. Yeah, that's pretty well torn. Let's go take it to the garage and cut a new one. Okay, well, the first thing we need to do is drill out these rivets to save this plate. I don't know exactly what the plate is actually for, but you know. It was there, so let's put it back, right? Let's try 3/16, maybe. That looks like it'll get it. Yeah, we'll punch it out in a little bit. Of course, we don't want to have to cut more than we need to. So, just kind of set her up like that. Grab the old trusty razor knife. I remember what I did with it. Right here. Yeah. And we're just going to score it. And by scoring, I mean cut all the way through. Alright, now we just have to transfer all the holes and cut these loops out. Nothing has to be exact here, it just has to be close. It's rubber after all. It'll flex, it'll move, it'll bend. I don't have a rubber punch. It's basically just a hollow tube that is sharpened on one end and you hit it with a hammer and it punches it through. I don't have one of them, so we're just going to do it with a drill bit and hope for the best, right? Alright, let's punch out this rivet here and put some new ones in. Okay, gotta find the right one. Nope, not those. Nope, not those. I have to go into the drawer. I mean, the head's not quite as big, but it'll still work. I ain't worried. I ain't scared. Change out the tip to the right size. Which side is the right one? Poke it through the rubber first. Poke it through this guy. Kind of in the line that you want. Give it a couple squeezes. Trying to position this so you guys can see, but that's going to be too hard. So you don't get to see. $86 for this thing. Look at that. What do you think of that? All right, let's go put it back on the machine. Trying to film here. All right, let's see how good we are. Oh my Lord, look at that. Fits right in there. All right, let's bolt her up and call this one done. Look at that, all the holes line up. Probably could use a little trimming right here, but I'm not concerned about that. That's what happens if you put them too tight. They'll end up splitting. That's no bueno. There you have it. A new shield. Just like brand new. Well, that one was successful. Let's make sure it doesn't hit the seat. No, it's all clear. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see. That's good. Another one for the record books. If you enjoyed the content, click the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe, share it with your friends, leave a comment. We'll see you on the next one.